in the first two examples, we were asked to either simplify or write as a single log, which meant we tried to write everything on these formulas as the left-hand side. The left-hand side are all single logarithms. This is considered the simplified side. There's going to be questions that it's going to ask you to do the other thing, which is write it as the right-hand side. Sometimes it will be written as expand completely. And sometimes it'll be written like this: write each expression in terms of log A, log B, or log C. So in terms of means that's what you're allowed to have on the other side, but nothing else inside of a logarithm. Only A can be inside of the log, only B, not A and B at the same time. And so this is called expanding completely. And I think in our notes yesterday we put a star beside this one because we had to do that one first to simplify, and then we could do the other log laws. Now that we're going in the other direction, this will be what we do last. So in A, I notice that I'm dividing. That's the second one that I listed right here, where we have dividing inside of a log. Dividing inside of a log means that I can subtract. So it'll be log A minus log B squared, because A was in my numerator and B squared was in my denominator. This isn't in terms of log A, log B. It's in terms of log A, this is good, but the log B still has an extra squared in there, so we have to take one extra step and use the last log law listed there. Bring the 2 out in front. And this would be considered expanded completely, the least simplified as possible. Same thing in B. Okay. In B, we can use the shortcut that remember the shortcut where if we had a bunch of things, whatever was positive would be in your numerator, and whatever was negative was in your denominator. We can use that same shortcut in the other direction. So I see in my numerator I have an A squared and a B to the 1/3. Those will be positive. And in my denominator, I have a C, so that will be negative. And then I can take those exponents and I can bring them out in front. So right now, like I said yesterday, what we are doing is we are just practicing log laws. Yesterday we practiced simplifying them. Today we're practicing expanding them. And we need to get really good at them so that we can use them to solve problems. Questions for practice on this one? 14, 15.